Alright class, we're on the next page of our packet named Find Someone Who. And whoever is subbing for me today, if you do not feel that the class can get up and do this, then feel free to let them sit down and do it by themselves. But if you do want them to get up and do it, the directions are, what you want to do is find a student who can answer one of the problems below. The formula chart that you have in your journal may be used to help you answer the questions. You want to ask that person to write the answer in the appropriate place and sign his or her name. Continue this process until your paper is complete. Each student may only answer one problem on your paper, and that one student should not answer the same problem on other people's paper. For example, if I do number 2 on this paper, I should not do number 2 on another paper. I should do a different problem. So, number 1, find someone who can explain what big B represents in the formulas for surface area. We went over that in the first video. You want to write your answer and then get that person's signatures. Do the same thing for 2 through 6. Get an answer, get a signature. And we'll go over it. Substitute, you can pause. Okay, so let's go over the possible answers for this. Big B represents the area of the base. How do you find big B when finding the total surface area of a trapezoidal prism? Well, big B, because it's the area of the base, you need the area of a trapezoid formula, which is 1/2 B1 plus B2 times the height. Who can explain what perimeter means? Well, perimeter, the big P, is the perimeter of the base. And we know perimeter is the distance around the figure or the shape of a polygon. Who can find the formula for calculating the perimeter of the base of a rectangular prism? Well, we know that we either add all the sides, or on your formula chart, the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Who can explain which formula would be used to calculate the amount of paper needed to wrap around a can? Well, we would find the rectangle that is the face of the cylinder. The cylinder has 2 circle bases, but if you're finding the paper that can wrap around a can, which we talked about lateral surface area, you would use the formula for lateral surface area, or find the area of the rectangle. And then the last one, who can explain what the L represents? We talked about the L representing the slant height of the pyramid. So this is the slant height of a pyramid. So for example, if I have a square pyramid, the slant height represents the height of the triangle, not the height from the middle. It's the height on the triangle. You should have gotten signatures from all your peers. And now, answer the question. Could you use the formula for the total surface area of a prism when finding the total surface area of a cube? Why or why not? This is a grade, so make sure that you answer this question. See you next video.